Hey guys, this is Barry with FaO&x Outdoors, and welcome to the channel. So it's story time. So this company reached out to me. His name's Spike, and said would I do a review on this product, and I said sure. I've never done a product review like this before, so I told my wife, and she was upset. She's like, "You're almost 50 years old," which I'm not almost 50. Well, I'm 5 years from 50. Well, 4. It's coming soon. And this is a skateboard that goes 25 miles on a battery. It's got a 600 watt motor, which is crazy on a skateboard. It's got 2 batteries. Each of them is a 42 volt 6.8 amp hour, and you have 2 of those. So she's not happy about this review because I could barely stay up on a bike. LOL. And I'm going to do a review on this. So it says it goes 25 miles. I got a little loop that I do. I've got a big loop, a small loop. I got a 7 mile, a 14 mile, a 21 mile. But I'm probably just going to do a 7 mile on this just to see where it's at. So let's open this thing up. Let's see. You get a manual with a QR code to install it. Oh, this is pretty. Look at this. It's got huge tires. That's cool. Let's see. It's kind of heavy. Let's just do this. Oh, you come. Release the Kraken. Look at that. Look at the tires. That's the kind of tires I need. Let's see here. So that's already plugged in. Oh, so you get 2. Okay. Got it. A tool to change your tires. What else you got in here? Oh. A remote control. With LED. Let's turn it on. I have to play with that a little bit. Let's see. Boom. Alright, just hit this little button right here. Does it go backwards? Okay, so push forward. If you want to brake it, push back. And it's on speed 4, speed 1, speed 2, speed 3, speed 4, speed 1. Nice. That's freaking awesome. Got a little charger on the back here. So right this little place for your, it's like rubberized. Okay. And the charger, which is a 2 amp, which is probably plenty for this. Nice. Okay. All right. This is freaking crazy. Let's see, the rear. Alright, so this, it shows the power on this is one side, and then it has the power for this on the other side. What I'm going to do is charge this up. Just make sure everything's charged. And then we're going to go try not to die. But this is crazy. I love the big wheels. Alright, we'll be right back. Alright, this thing is fully charged. This is plastic. Look at this. Oh, Jesus. Look at that. That is so cool. I'm probably dodging. Trying to take this out somewhere. I'm going to show you this real quick. So, you turn this on. Turn it on. It says disconnected. Little button right here. It automatically cuts on. R is remote. B is for board. It's got the batteries on it. Then you can do speed 1, speed 2, speed 3. And you push it forward. You can stop it too. Like that. So I'm going to get a helmet on. And I hope I don't die. Let's try this. Alright. See you on the road. Alright. Where do I want to mount this? It's got a little bit of teeth right there. Let's see. Alright. I feel like this is going to be crazy. Alright, let's go.
Just gotta be more comfortable. Let's go. Come on. Oh, stay. It's still cool, man. I'm not taking it away from it. It's just a learning curve for sure. Come on. I haven't died yet, so all right. It is cool, man. It's not taking it from it. Come on. This is a really rocky road. Come on. I just gotta get my balance right. See how fast I'm going? Set the wattage stop faster than that. I just ain't trying to die. Alright. Downhill. This is a little bit of a dangerous road. This is more of the main road, I guess. Alright. Oh, come here. Stop. That's cool. I stopped it. Like, stop. Alright, here we go. Alright. Don't go full blast. Alright. Get a little bit more comfortable, man. Here we go. Oops. Alright, here we go. Get off there. Don't get on the grass. There's that guy who almost killed me. What's up, buddy? Here we go. Alright, this road's a little bit not as rocky, which feels a lot better. I can feel all the bumps. Be cool. Shaking a little bit. Going downhill. Alright, going back uphill. Alright, listen. Let's see. Come on. Whoa. Nailed it. That was crazy. That's a lot of fun, actually. It's just definitely a learning curve. The thing does it by itself. 600 watts motor. That's insane. Didn't get hurt. That is crazy, though. All right, man. So, if you would like one of these, I'll put it in the description below. I appreciate y'all watching. And don't forget, we have adventures every Saturday. There's long form videos that would take this product, definitely not that product, on like long distance trips and backpacking and stuff like that. So hit the bell, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell, thumbs up, and I will see you on the next video.